If you're having trouble with voice chat on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to enhance your experience and troubleshoot any issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable and strong Wi-Fi network. A poor connection can lead to voice chat issues, so consider moving closer to your router or using a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update. Download and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Use the Nintendo Switch Online app. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app on your smartphone. This app is designed to facilitate voice chat for certain games. Make sure you log in with the same Nintendo account linked to your Switch. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Check the audio settings within the game you are playing. Some games have specific voice chat settings that need to be enabled. Look for options related to voice chat and ensure they are turned on. Step 5. Test your headset. If you are using a headset, test it with another device to ensure it is functioning properly. If the headset works elsewhere but not with the Switch, try a different headset or check the audio jack for debris or damage. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your voice chat experience on the Nintendo Switch. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.